guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make chicken breast with butter and caper sauce with broccoli slaw. So first let's boil the water. So this water has been boiling for about 10 minutes. Let's put the chicken breast in and then turn the heat off, and then you can put the lid on and leave it about 20 to 22 minutes and do not open it. Right, so while we are waiting for the chicken, we are going to make the butter and caper sauce. So this is the caper. You just get it from the supermarket. And we need garlic and 1 lemon. Right, so the chicken is cooked. I'm just gonna take this out and leave it about 5 minutes to rest. So I'm gonna use about 50 to 60 grams of butter. And then we just need to put the garlic and the caper. And then you just need the juice of 1 lemon. The sauce is done, so we just need to cut up the chicken breast and we just need to mix them up. Right, we need cabbage, broccoli, and then some carrots, and we're also gonna need some dried cranberries and some pumpkin seeds and mayonnaise. And then of course you're gonna mix them up. And here you go, our dinner is ready.